Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. So less than 250 hours are left for RBI Assistant Mains exam. So in this video, we are going to discuss about how you should use these 10 days to ace RBI Assistant Mains. And I will recall the analogy from the mains exams which has occurred in the last couple of months, mainly NHB mains, RRB SO mains, apart from that SBI Junior Associate mains and PFRDA mains. So what's common in all these four exams? Our subscribers have done really well. Okay, so we will just analyze how was the mains pattern over there and what we can expect in RBI assistant. Why? Because RBI assistant mains exam is going to happen after a couple of years. So you can expect a twist this year, but that will be the mixture of all those four exams which has happened in the last 3-4 weeks. I hope you agree with me. So let's begin the video. So before going into that, I believe that motivation is very necessary. So first is, why RBI assistant job? You would be also thinking many a times, like many of you have got 95, 96, 100 marks to reach up to mains. So the first thing is, you are very good at QRE. Only disturbing point is GA. But before coming to that point, you should ask, why RBI assistant job? So the answer is, don't settle for average. What happens is, mainly around 9 out of 10 people settle for average. Okay, they settle for average job and they just don't try to gain something better. Okay, so you have in your hand an opportunity of RBI assistant mains. So you are targeting the beast. Okay, you are targeting the beast. So don't have the expression like this, ye bhi theek hai. Just settle with any job. Okay, so any job is not going to work in long term. And why it's not going to work? So the answer is, these 4 points are the answer. First is job at RBI. So if you are going to tell anybody in the society, for that lots of people die day and night. For the means people care about what their family is thinking, what the society is thinking, what 4 people are thinking. Okay, which doesn't matters in my opinion. So the first thing is, you can just say in front of anyone in any family party anywhere that I work at RBI, and that will give you a feeling of 56-inch chest. Okay, so the first point is the charm of RBI. Second, see, you will get the flat 35 to 40,000 salary. So your salary will be in hand 35 to 40k, and I am not counting those incentives and all those LTAs and all those things. Yeah, your in hand will be comparable to RRP or IBPS PO. It has been revised and it has increased. Earlier it was around 30k. So apart from that, you have an opportunity to reach to grade A position in 3 years. Okay, so in 3 years you can reach to grade A at RBI. So RBI has a hierarchy of grade A to F, A, B, C, D, E, F. So they recruit for either assistant or grade B. So there is no vacancy for grade A, and apart from B to F. So you can reach to grade A. So what's the benefit of grade A? So you will get a direct 80 to 90% hike and your salary will be 65 to 70k. Now let me take an example. A PO either at SBI or IBPS. Okay, so a PO at SBI or PSB earns around 35 to 40k in mid of that. So after 3 years, he or she will reach 55 to 60k max, 55 to 60k. But you are above all of those peoples. That's why we have saw a pattern. Around 500 plus people have subscribed for our GA Impact as well as mocks. Okay, so what's common in all those people? The common point is, maximum of them are PSB working employees, either in IBPS banks like PO, etc., in other PSBs. Apart from that, RRB POs, okay, Grameen Bank people, and clerk as well in PSBs and Grameen banks. Apart from that, we have also IT people who are earning 40-50k are also dying for this job. Now you can ask, why IT people and private people who are earning 40-50k are dying for RBI assistant job? So the answer is here, work-life balance. Okay, so you can see here work-life balance. Let me change the color. So yeah, this is the answer, work-life balance. Because those who are working in nowadays, IT job is similar to PSB due to pressure. And yes, work-life balance is what you can get at RBI. Apart from that, we have the posting in RBI in capitals like Delhi, Lucknow, Thiruvananthapuram, Chennai, Hyderabad, Patna, and cities like this. So you don't have to worry like in RRBs what I get the feedback. Many of our subscribers who have got the selection reading our materials at lit mode complain that sir, I have got the posting at Grameen Bank but I am not satisfied. I ask why. So they answer like, sir, I have to just print the passbook, the rural infrastructure is very bad, no mall, no pool, no movies, nothing. So that's the pain point. So in RBI, you can enjoy that life, okay? So capital posting, apart from that, you will get LTA and minor incentives, not like grade B officers, but yes, you will get incentives like RBI assistant. Apart from that, I think these incentives are more than enough to motivate you, okay? And one more motivation, like you people are already good at QRE, okay? You have scored 95 plus marks, general category people, as well as OBC, SC, ST have also scored 85 plus or 90 plus marks. So you are already good at QRE. Your concept in quant is good, reasoning puzzle practice has been done, English reading is good. So you have to focus more on GA in these 10 days plus computer, because GA plus computer is very important. You can easily score 65 to 70 marks in GA plus computer in mains, but it's not the case in QRE. Why? I will tell you later on in this video. So watch this video full. If you are liking the way of motivating you, if you are liking how I am just motivating you, then do like the video. Don't hesitate to like the video, because if you are going to like the video, you are not spending money. So if you are not spending money, just do it for my motivation. Okay. So moving forward, in front of you there is state-wise cutoff mains of last half penned RBI assistant mains. So from here, what analogy you can just take off? So the analogy is the maximum cutoff you can see is around 124.5 in Thiruvananthapuram and Kochi. Apart from that, the cutoff is 120 in Bhubaneswar, Chandigarh, Patna 118, and where is Jaipur 119, and Kolkata 118. Okay, so apart from that, New Delhi 122, and Kanpur, where is Kanpur, Lucknow 122. So these are the high cutoff states like Odisha, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, UP, Bihar, Delhi, Thiruvananthapuram and Cochin. So you can analyze that the maximum cutoff is not more than 125. So if you will get more than 125, you are safe. But still, what you should target? You should target 140. Okay, because in SBI clerk means also I saw many people scoring 100 plus. But in SBI clerk, the vacancy is 8 to 9,000, and here the vacancy is 1/10 of that. Okay, so you are fighting for 1/10 of seat. So obviously the cutoff will zoom up, and you have saw that in the pre of RBI assistant. So I don't have to lecture you out on that. Okay, so having said that, you have to prepare accordingly for the next 10 days. Don't worry, I will tell you how you have to wire your neurons for next 250 hours. So don't panic and just stay with me. Before moving into the next slide, let me clarify one thing about LPT. Okay, so LPT is extremely important. LPT is nothing but language proficiency test. So in the clerical job, you have to do some kind of customer interface, as well as you have to communicate with local people. So what happens, you need to have a proper grip over the local language. Like for UP Bihar, it's Hindi. For Chennai, it's Tamil. For Mumbai, it's obviously Marathi. And similarly for Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, like Malayalam, Kannada and Telugu. So you have to be apt in that. So you have, if you have filled a form from any other state for low cutoff, so make sure that you are apt in that, because if you are going to score 150 also in mains, but you are not apt in LPT, so you may be failed. And that happened last year. Here you can see 213 candidates failed to meet the requirement of LPT round. Okay, and here you can see like 602 candidates appeared for LPT and 213 candidate did not qualified. So 602 and 213 were failed. So 400 only passed. So those people who are not from Marathi speaking state, they should be aware. And that's why RBI assistant vacancy was 2 years late, and the case went into the high court and it ran for a longer period. Okay, so make sure you don't repeat the same mistake. Still you have 1 or 2 months in your hand, so make the most out of it and don't fail in LPT. If you have any doubt regarding that, find our email ID, the WhatsApp group in the description link. Go there and ask any personal question you want to ask about LPT. Now moving forward, what's the exam pattern? So exam pattern, as all of you already know, let me just tell you once. 5 sections of 40 marks each: reasoning, English, quant, GK and computer. The point to be noted is general awareness and computer knowledge is of 40 marks each, so 80 marks altogether. Apart from that, the time given is 25 minutes and 20 minutes, so more than enough for your refreshment as well as to attempt these 80 questions with full consciousness. Okay, so in 45 minutes you have to target at least 65 to 70 marks. And if you are saying that it's tough, so let me tell you, let me in fact show you a review of our SBI clerk guy. Where it is, so here you can see a review of our aspirant, like 43 attempt in SBI clerk mains, okay, out of 50, 43, so around 90% attempt. This guy is getting also 40 plus mark. So what I want to say is you can easily score 70 to 80% mark in these two sections. Okay, so when I am saying you have to target out of 80 marks 70 marks, okay, so 65 to 70 marks. So what I am saying, it's somewhere around 80 to 90%. So if you want to become assistant at RBI, so you have to take this pain. 65 to 70 marks you have to do, and it's easily doable, and that will be the difference. That will be the difference between you and that guy who is not getting the between selected people and unselected people. Because see, in QRE all people at almost at same level. Everybody have got 96, 97, 98, 99, 100 out of 100. So all have their quant concept clear, all have their reading speed at very pretty good stand, all have the reasoning capacity very improved, and all those people in 6 months have got enough time, because the mains was scheduled in March and now the exam is going to happen in November. So all those people have got enough time to practice puzzles, DIs as well as RC. So here you will make difference, but not more than 5-10 marks. Okay, so the difference will be very minute, but here you can create a huge difference, because GA is very boring for a lot of people. Computer is very absurd for those who are not handful in running computer and or have interest in computer subjects like networking, OOPS, and basic terminologies of computer like shortcuts. If I ask what's the shortcut of redo, so yeah, it's control Y, but many of you don't know the keyword of control Y, like what control Y does. So that's why computer and general awareness are two subjects where you have to focus more, and here who or she will create difference will get the selection. Mark my words, the differentiation will be here and not in QRE. And after SBI, after RRB, after NHB, after PFRDA, 4 mains in last couple of months, I have talked to more than 100 aspirants who have appeared into the mains, and the common point, common agenda which I have listened from all of them is simple and clear. Sir, GK is the kingmaker. And in those exams where computer is also present, because computer is not present in all banking exams, it's present in RRBs, RBI and PFRDA like exam. So where computer is there, it's also critically important. So that's what I wanted to convey from here. And one more thing, you are getting 30 minutes only for reasoning, English and numerical ability. So in 30 minutes you are not going to score 40 marks. Okay, so the paper level will be not pre-level, it will be obviously mains level. So you will not get 40 marks in 30 minutes, but in 25 minutes you can get 40 marks. Okay, so let me make it green. So you can get 40 marks in 25 minutes. In 20 minutes you can attempt this. Okay, even you can't attempt 40 marks in 30 minutes here, means less chances, you will attempt 30-35 marks max, but here you can attempt more. So that's the game, you have to understand this, because everything is about strategy. If you are given a tree to cut, if somebody gives you a tree to cut, you have to at least provide 80% time to sharpen your axe. Similarly here you should have a strategy. If you are going just like how Delhi Capital came to fight with Mumbai Indians, you will definitely lose. Okay, so believe in yourself and you can clear this exam. Now I will come to subjects. So first subject is quant. This was the pattern in the last RBI assistant mains exam. So the maximum weightage here will be of DI. So here you can see like 15 marks were asked from DI. So again you can see 15 to 20 marks of DI. Now in SBI clerk, quadratic equation was not asked. In SBI clerk, what happened in mains? 3 to 4 DIs were asked, and out of 50, around 40 to 50% weightage was of DI. Apart from that, we saw only 3 more things. First was data sufficiency, so data sufficiency will come. Next was node approximation. It was Q1, Q2. Okay, so it was quantity comparison, Q1 and Q2. So that is also more and less data sufficiency only. In data sufficiency, you can tell if you have practiced just by seeing the question that yes, this will be the answer. But in Q1, Q2, you have to solve to up to an extent to tell which one is more or less. So Q1, Q2 is time consuming, and data sufficiency properly checks your concept. So Q1, Q2, 5 questions, and data sufficiency 5 questions. You can expect this year as well. And after that, you will get arithmetic topics. So today I was talking to a guy who has appeared for SBI mains, and he was scoring around 32 out of 50 marks. So I asked him like what should be the strategy for quant guys. So he told that only those people will score 30 plus marks or even 25 plus marks who are very good at least 8-9 topic out of 12-13 chapters which you study for banking exams. So your concept should be crystal clear. If I am talking about any chapter, either percentage, time and work, time, speed, distance, partnership, mixture allegation, ratio, both stream probability, mensuration, permutation, combination, anything. So you should be pretty sure. If I talk about mensuration, you should know the volume of the sphere. You should know the radian, how a radian of a circle is calculated. You should know the relation between the perimeter of rectangle and a square. Okay, something like that. So you should have your mindset at that level. Okay, I'm just guiding you. So I thought you get what I am just trying to convey you. If you are targeting 30-35 marks who are good at quant, because personally when I was giving multiple exams and also cleared many exams in banking, so my strength was always quant and GA. So many people came to me and asked like how you will clear exam without puzzles. So I have cleared many exams without puzzles, but I will not recommend you to skip puzzle. But yes, if you will score good in quant and GA, you have an edge. And those people who are good at quant and GA are also good at English. So you have an extra edge. So make the difference in quant. And those who are not very good at quant, your arithmetic concepts are not good. So pick the easy chapters. Pick the easy chapters and try to get at least 20-25 marks in quant. You should get at least 40-50% marks, because below 50%, the story will be very hard. Okay, so that's the learning from quant. Yes, nothing is going to work. You should have your concept crystal clear. So next 10 days, just revise the concepts, revise the formulas, pick some hard questions, pick some medium questions, solve as much as you can. Just revise and revise the concepts. Nothing more, nothing less. Moving forward to the next topic, yes, reasoning. So before coming to reasoning, I want to convey you, like you'll be thinking like how to test your knowledge. So we have the RBI assistant mock launched. So here you will get 5 mocks. The first mock is free. Okay, so first mock is free of cost. Go to the first mock, attempt it and check how much you are scoring. The good score is something around 120 to 140 marks. Okay, so just go here, try this mock and check how much you are scoring. Apart from that, here also you have some features. Like many of you can also say, so 260 is very costly. See, you are getting a job of 35 to 40k, so you will be have a very fun after getting this job. So don't think of very minute amount and just go and enroll. If you like the first mock, then only enroll for it. You can go and opt for it. And apart from that, here you can also check the analytics, like the comparison with the toppers, how you performed, where is the scope of improvement, all those sets. And discussion, here you can interact with all those toppers and guys, you can discuss the concept. Notes, here you can create all those notes, and that is totally personalized and anonymous. So your notes anyone else cannot see, and it's like Evernote, or you can say notebook. So these features you will get over here. So go for it, check it out, and it is the one of the most sought after banking exams in India. So do go and check it out. The link will be in the description. Coming to reasoning. So last RBI assistant mains, this was the segmentation of the paper. Puzzles were asked of around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 marks. Input output 5 marks, inequality, alphanumeric series, blood relation, and miscellaneous. What happened in SBI clerk mains? Why I am talking repeatedly about SBI clerk mains? Because see, SBI clerk is also assistant level paper and RBI is also assistant level paper. So the similarity is maximum between these two exams. So I am comparing not PFRDA, NHB or RBI SO to RBI assistant. I am comparing SBI clerk to RBI assistant. Got it? So what we saw in SBI mains, there also 50% weightage was given to puzzle. So here also you can expect 50 to 60% weightage to puzzles. Apart from that, machine input output will be there. Apart from that, you will also see data sufficiency. So data sufficiency, letter arrangement. So alphanumeric series you will find, and logical reasoning was a surprise. So be ready for logical reasoning. If logical reasoning is asked, do aware of that. Logical reasoning may come. Apart from that, letter arrangement was also there. So yes, puzzles, input output, and logical reasoning. So you can easily score 30 plus if you are good at reasoning, because the puzzles were not too hard in SBI mains. So yes, you can score 30 plus marks in reasoning also. And if you are average in puzzles, try to solve all these things, get at least 15-20 marks from here, and pick the easy puzzle from here, like floor based puzzle. Apart from that, box based puzzle, north south puzzle. So try to get 2-3 puzzles correct and pick some marks from here. And if you are not good at reasoning, at least get 25 to 20 marks. Okay. So don't settle for less than 50% marks, because if you will score less than 50% mark, the situation will be tough in the game further. So moving forward, let's talk about English. So this is the segmentation of last happened RBI assistant mains exam. So you can see over here the comprehension was of 10 marks, and apart from that you can see closed test was of 5 marks, parajumble 5 marks, and new pattern question of connectors, error detection, and all this. So this year what we saw in SBI, RC was asked of more marks. So here you can expect some jump in RC questions, and the RCs were not so tough, and Sino Anto were not asked. So Sino Anto was asked in double fillers. So in fillers what was asked, sentence was given, and for double fillers you have the words you have to fill, and basically they have asked the Sino Anto in the option. So it was a little bit tricky. So do practice those questions from different apps which are available in the market. Apart from that, you will also get the chance to see those questions in our mocks also. And for closed test, you have to, again 5 words are given, blank space is given, options were shuffled. So you have to just see that and fix the closed test. Apart from that, error spotting was there, and idiom based question like phrases and idioms. So sentence was given where 2 idioms were given, and you have to find their displacement to make the grammatically and contextually correct answer. So that was the game in the idiom based questions. So these things you can expect. Just I am telling you all these things. Don't think that it will come, but yes, it should be in the back of your mind. So if it will be in your back of the mind, so you will perform better in the real exam. Okay, so that's the case. So in English also, those who are good at English can easily score 30 plus marks, but those who are not very good at English, pick the easy things like closed test, double fillers 10 marks, error spotting 15 marks, and idiom replacement 20 marks, and try to solve easy questions from RC. So get 20 to 25 marks from English and move on. And when I'm saying you are good at one subject and bad at one subject, that doesn't mean you will get selection. That means you have to make up that mark from where? From GA and computer. You can't means just create a difference like this. It's not going to be hard. Means it's going to be the same like the result of Bihar election. So you don't have that leisure to change. So yeah, you will have to work hard. You can't, if you are aware of the result of Bihar elections, it was very tough. So you can't do the same in the real exam. You have to create a difference from your competitor. It's a relative exam. If you are doing good, that doesn't mean you are getting selection. It's a relative exam. If another one is doing very good, so he will get the selection. So don't worry about that. Give your best, whether you are whatever level you are, just give your best and leave everything. Just focus on what you have in your hand, nothing else. Now, after discussing QRE, you will be bored a little bit because you are already good at QRE. You have scored 100 marks, 98 marks, 85 marks, something like that. So now I will come to GA and computer, about which you are extremely excited. So first, I will discuss few of the questions which were asked in the last exam. So very simple questions were asked in the last exam, mainly current affairs. Like you can see the current affairs are here, and banking awareness question. When I say banking awareness, it's not about the Basel II pillar. Okay, it's not about the sections of RBI, but yes, basic concepts like full forms, what's local area bank, what's the EMI, what's the payment bank, and something like that. What we saw this year in SBI, so let me zoom it for you. Yeah, so in this year SBI, as you can see, that was again a mixture of current affairs and banking awareness questions. Like you can see, TRI chairman was asked, InstaClick saving account by which bank, PM Kusum scheme. So schemes were also asked, date was asked, and chairperson of Parliament Standing Committee for Finance, which was Jayant Sinha. Apart from that, Tesla head and retail inflation was asked. So the most important thing is, out of 50 questions, around 30 questions directly came from our PDF, and around 5 to 10 questions came from our videos on YouTube as well as our in full GA course. Okay, so more than 80% question came from our course. And what happened, this question about retail inflation, I talked to maximum aspirants who didn't subscribe for our course. They couldn't answer this, but you can check on our YouTube. There is a SBI clerk GA revision first video. In the first video or second video, a question regarding FCRA was discussed. So I asked in FCRA, what's the full form of this, and what's the full form of C. And after that I discussed the MPC, Monetary Policy Committee, and in that I told the current inflation of India of September is 7.34%, and this question came in the exam. Many of our competitors or the people who teach GA in the market didn't tell this thing to the aspirants. So similarly, more questions like currency of South Korea, because Samsung's founder died, so currency of South Korea was asked. So whatever currency capital is asked, there is a relation. There was the 2+2 dialogue between India and America. So there was a question asked. Quad happened, so that's why Japan's prime minister was asked, which was changed recently. So every question is asked because of a reason, and we know that reason. That's why we provide those things in the exam. That's why after the exam, what aspirants say, so it's quite funny. They say like, so after giving the exam, I was thinking that IBPS picked the questions from your PDF. So it's something like that. So I will leave rest of thing up to you. It's up to you whether you like to score 30+ marks in GA or you want to score 12 or 15 marks in GK, because as you already know, it's the decider, it's the super over, it's the kingmaker, it's the changing point of the exam of RBI assistant. It will be the catalyst. So if you have to accelerate your score, you have to boost your score, go for this catalyst, score more, and for the next 10 days at least half of your time should go to GK. One more thing, a very experienced man on YouTube, he was saying that people should read 1 year GK. Okay, 1 year GK. So our subscribers asked in SBI Clerk, more than 1,000+ people subscribe to our SBI Clerk materials. So they came to us and asked, sir, this guy is saying that 1 year GK is important. What do you think? So we said 6-7 months is more than enough. So they said, sir, what if you go wrong? I said, just trust us. And after the exam, these people went to that guy's YouTube channel and just bombarded him saying that, sir, you are fooling us by saying 1 year paper, and we read the January GK also, and you wasted our time. So people, there are lots of resources on internet everywhere. So there is very abundance of information. So in this life of abundance of information, you need a clear and concise and crisp way. After passing that tunnel, you should get the selection. And if you are listening this video, you are into that tunnel, and at the end of that tunnel you will find the light. So just focus on the light and keep moving in that tunnel. That's what I want to say. Okay, so moving forward, you want to see the reviews after that exam. So you can see I am pausing in the video in mid because winter is there, and I'm making sure that I didn't dehydrate. So yeah, this is the first review. So 30+ questions are covered. Thank you. So shift to SBI clerkman. Shift 2 was a little bit tough. So this guy just read 3-4 days GK, okay, 3-4 days only, and got 60% plus score. Apart from that, we told him to just recommend others. He told that yes, I will recommend this. Apart from that, here again you can see one guy. So thank you sir. 37 questions attempted in GA, 37 questions, and shift 2 all are direct questions. So this is extremely important. All are direct questions. If you doubt, I will provide a link in the description, a WhatsApp group where only RBI assistant men's people will be joining, and I will provide the audio link also of the people who have attempted 120 plus and are getting around 110 115 marks. So what's their review, what's their recommendation is, you can listen in that WhatsApp group or Telegram group. So find the link in the description box and do join that at the earliest. Apart from that, really thanks a lot. अगर और थोड़ा finance news पढ़ के जाती, okay, so she is not guy, she is female, so impact से तो I think 40-42 होता. So she was just saying that I skipped the finance section of the impact PDF. So if you are wondering what's impact PDF, so impact is a PDF which is going to impact your score. Yeah, it's funny, but it's true. It will impact your score in such a way that it will make sure that you earn at least 40k per month after getting the job. So don't skip anything which we are going to provide, and make sure you at least revise it 3+ times. So you have 10 days in your hand and you will revise for 3+ time. At least you should revise, because that will help you to retain the information in the real exam and don't get the confusion if 5 questions are popping up in front of your eyes. Third review is like, thank you sir, I revised and even revising more and more those PDFs that you provided. So he or she just pinged me on WhatsApp like, so this I have done, I have revised, so I recommended yes, do the revision, 3+ time is minimum. And after the exam I asked, hi, how was the exam at 2 p.m. and the shift 1 guy this is. So these 2 guys were shift 1. So shift 1 was tough. Shift 2, the review is 43 GA, but other sections were moderate. So 43 attempted. Okay, QRE was moderate. Other sections means QRE was moderate. Not that guy is saying like banking awareness was tough or static was not there, something like that. Other sections were moderate. So QRE was moderate. So if you are getting frustrated by QRE, yes, this will be the savior. That's why I'm saying GA will be the savior. So this is enough to open your mind. Okay. Now scam 1992, risk hai to isk hai. So this guy also fooled Indian Financial Institute like SEBI and the Indian Stock Exchange, Harshad Mehta. So what I want to convey is risk hai to isk hai. So don't just get away from the risk. If you will take risk, only you will have that risk with any job. So there is a line in the web series which is like something like that. Harshad Mehta's wife asks like आप इतनी मेहनत क्यों कर रहे हो, रिस्क है इसमें तो बहुत ज़्यादा. तो हर्षद मेहता बोलता है कि रिस्क नहीं लूँगा तो खुद ही खर्च हो जाऊँगा, तो रिस्क लेने में क्या हर्ज है, अगर रिस्क है तो इश्क है. So something like that. So basically you have to spend yourself in the preparation phase. If you will spend yourself in the preparation phase, then only you will get the isk later on. It's not the that Shahrukh Khan isk, it's a financial isk with the money, which will eventually meet your basic needs and the fulfillment for your parents, matrimonial aspects, and whether you are at age 28 or age 21, you have to show your parents, society that you are capable of doing what you can. So that's about that ISK. So we have the GK and computer RBI course launched. Okay, so here you will also get PDFs, videos and quizzes. So you can also download the PDFs, videos, you can revise quiz for higher retention. And here also you can like see the PDFs are here, impact PDFs, and we have added many SBI clerk PDFs here which are very beneficial. So don't forget to watch those videos either on YouTube or embedded in the PDF. So PDF, videos, quiz, all are extremely important. Don't skip anything. And yeah, you will get financial awareness also, computer also. Apart from that, here also you get the discussion tab and the notes section from where you can create your own notes. And those guys who have subscribed to our RBI Impact PDF earlier, before March, so those people are automatically enrolled in this course and they are enjoying this course and they have very positive feedback. So if you are enrolled for RBI Impact, you have already been enrolled in that course. So check your all mail section and find lit mode. So search for lit mode in your all mail section and you will find the link of the addition to this course. And those who have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, man? Risk hai to isk hai. Let's move forward. Yeah, computer. So don't get anxious about computer. Computer is more easier than GK. Computer section was easy last year also, and in SBI also, and sorry, not SBI, in RRB and PFRD. Basic questions were asked, like what is junk email, what is spam, what is FTP, file transfer protocol, and something like that. So questions were basic in nature and very easily and doable. So we will provide many videos and MCQs and PDFs. So we will make sure that you get at least 30 to 35 marks in computer also. So make sure that you go for computer course also, and the link is in the description. Moving forward. Yeah, so you may ask why I should go for the mocks. So here you can see this is the feedback loop. So first is assess, modify. So first you have to assess through the mock test. Go to the free mock test, assess where you stand, modify your strategy. If you are getting very less score, come to the WhatsApp group, personally ping me. I will personally mentor all those people who are attempting mock 1. Just send me the screenshot of mock 1. I will provide you personal mentorship. Yes, personal mentorship I will provide to all those people who are appearing for mock 1, as well as those people who have subscribed to our course. Apart from that, after modifying the strategy, create a new plan for next 10 days and implement that. Again, assess in second mock, third mock, fourth mock, and continuous feedback loop should be done. So this loop will help you score 140 plus marks in next 200 to 250 hours. If you're liking this scientific strategy, nice strategy, go to the like the button, subscribe the channel to get the similar quality videos later on our channel. Don't hesitate. You are not spending money for liking the video or subscribing, so do it, because I'm speaking all these at 11 p.m. in the night and only for you people. Moving forward, these are few reviews as you can see. So this guy got 4 men's selection last year. He was not getting a single men's selection last year because of GA only. Yeah, his QRE was extremely good. He's graduate in mathematics itself, so you can contact him on Facebook also, the reviews on internet. So yeah, what he said, seriously friends, from deep of my heart I would say this is the best platform for GA. As aspirant हमारे लिए easy नहीं है. So what he wanted to convey is that QRE eats up lots of time. So GA is not very easy for aspirants to read. तो बाकी सब्जेक्ट के साथ GA को ज़्यादा टाइम दे पाना टफ था. तो GA ही मेजर रोल प्ले करती है सिलेक्शन के लिए मेंस में. और अगर सिर्फ 72 पेजेस में आपको एक्चुअल एग्जाम में 25-30 क्वेश्चन मिल रहे हैं तो इससे बेहतर और क्या चाहिए. हाँ भाई, और क्या चाहिए. टुडे आई क्लियर्ड SBI JA, South Indian Bank PO, RRB PO mains. He also got the final selection at IBPS MEO. Currently he is working in RRB PO because his long term dream is PCS exam and UPSC etc. So he rejected SBI, he rejected South Indian Bank, he rejected IBPS PO as well. And I recommended him not to appear for IBPS PO interview because I don't want to waste one seat of a general category seat. That's why he didn't appear for IBPS PO, and that would have helped a needful guy in that place anywhere in the country. So he's currently working in RRB PO. So if you are getting a good job, if you are getting RBI assistant job, don't go for RRB PO or RRB clerk. Okay, so that's my 2 cents for those who are kind people. So just don't waste a seat to show the society that I have got 10 selection in a year. If you are that smart, do something else which is good for our nation's growth and GDP growth. Moving forward, how to get 35 plus in GA. So yeah, many people come to us who are old courses aspirant, and after the exam they just do like this. So yeah, how you will get more marks? So you will get weekly PDFs, weekly video, weekly podcast, quiz, smart hacks, guidance in the other subjects also, strategy, tips, tricks, and static awareness, current affairs, banking, financial awareness, and all those things are there. So we use an extensive process to check the relevancy of the data, so no error. And we also iterate the content as per changing nature of the exam. Like recently in SBI, the stock exchange of Hong Kong was asked. In PFRDA, the stock exchange of Germany was asked. So in this exam, there will be a stock exchange asked of any one country. So we will tell you that in our course. After that, we have been doing this for more than 5 years. So we are good at this, and we are specialized in this. So full of value, free of noise. Just go for it. Don't make a compromise on your preparation. Keep hustling. So again, Giriza, so she also provided us a good review. सो यू कैन चेक मेनी रिव्यूज़। मेरा खुद का अनुभव बता रहा इस प्लेटफॉर्म में जियो और करंट अफेयर्स के लिए ये सबसे बेस्ट ऑप्शन है। कम समय में लगभग टॉपिक कवर करने के लिए धन्यवाद। तो ये आरबीआई ग्रेड बी के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़े थे और इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा किया, मेंस तक पहुँचे। इस साल ये फिर से हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं। So again, what I wanted to say, like you can see, there is a guy, a small kid sitting here. So his dad is asking, "Why are you crying, dear?" So he said, "I wasn't aware about lit earlier." So his father just recommended him, "Don't repeat the same mistake again." So you have not to repeat the same mistake again. Okay. So after seeing this much review, this guy from West Bengal, Soundutta Mandal, also got the final selection at RRBPO after joining us. So after seeing this much reviews, I think you have pretty much make up your mind. So just go for it. Again, this is a review from RBI grade B. So this guy was working at Infosys in an IT company, and he just pinged us and got the PDF. He read 3-4 days full GK and got 66.25 marks out of 80 in RBI grade B. So he told, didn't use any other material, so no material, no affairs cloud, no nothing, no material, and got how much marks? 67, more than 80%. So I'm saying all this with proof. You can go and check out on the internet, on Facebook, Quora, everywhere. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching the video. You are capable of more than you know. Okay, so you should believe yourself, and whatever I have taught, you should implement that in the real exam. Apart from that, good luck for the exam. If you like the video, do share it on Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups, and like the video. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel to never miss such videos later on in the time period. Apart from that, we have also our Telegram group, Facebook group, WhatsApp group, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, every social media. So go in the description, find the course link, find the social media link, go and join it. Just rock it. So thank you for watching the video. God bless you all, and I hope to the God that all those people who are listening to this video and liking the video will get the selection at RBI in next couple of months. Thank you for watching the video. God bless you all again.